Hello guys, welcome back to the Debug Arena. In this video, I'm going to show how we can host our React.js application onto Netlify in just 5 minutes. So you can see this is my React application which is running on 3000, and here I can navigate between login and register. If you want to make this application, you can check out my other playlist. But for now, I will just move on to code. And here you can see I have started my server using npm start. To host this, the first thing we need to do is create a GitHub repo and upload your code in that. So I have already created the repo and my code is already present in that. So you can see this is my repo login auth mern mvc, where my backend and frontend both are there. So once you have created the repo, you can upload the code to there. So let me show you those steps. First we can do git init to initialize it, and after that we can do git add to add any new changes. Then I can just do commit, git commit m and the message deployment changes, and after that I can just do here git push, which will push my code onto the GitHub. And then I will go to GitHub, refresh the code, and here you can see I've got deployment changes. So I have my latest code here, and in this video I'm only going to host this front end. So now what we have to do, we have to go to Google and search for Netlify. Click on the first link. Here, if you are for the first time, you can do the sign up. So here I will choose sign up with Google, and in this I will choose this account, the Debug Arena. Continue, and here we can fill these details. Continue to deploy. Then here we will get this option to connect GitHub directly. So I will click on this, and here you can see it has automatically fetched my repo, which is this one, and linked here. Now from here I can directly deploy my code. So what we can do, I will just come here and will search for my repo, which is login, and my repo will come here. Yeah, this one. Then I will select this, and here I am getting let's deploy your project. So here I will click on this edit build settings. So here, yes, my branch to deploy is main, but my base directory is front end, because in my repo I am having two folders. As you can see, one is for backend, one is for front end. So in this video I am deploying the front end. Then we have to run the build command. In React.js, the build command is npm run build, and publish directory will also be front end / build. Rest of the things are fine. If you have used environment variables, you can use them. Now I will click on this. Let me tell you that Netlify is totally free. Once it will deploy, it will be available. Like if your site is inactive and then you access your site after 1 or 2 days, then it might take few minutes to load it, but once it is loaded, then it will work fine again. So here we can see that my deployment is going on. So let's wait for it to finish. Here you might get some syntax issue, like if you have used double equals to instead of single equals to, or you have some unwanted variables which you have declared but never used. So you might get those error, and you have to resolve that, and then push the latest changes to the GitHub, and then you can come here and redeploy your changes. And here you can see all my steps are done, and here I can click on this preview button, and you can see our app is live at this URL, and I can easily navigate between the pages. Now here, if you don't want this random URL, what you can do, you can go to deploys and then go to project overview. Here you can go to quick setup, and here you can change the project name. So let's give here login and update the project name. Okay, this project name is already taken, so let's give it as MVC and then update the project name, and you can see my project name is updated successfully. Now my app will be live at this location. So this is how you can host your React application to Netlify totally for free and change the custom name. If you are facing any issue while deployment, please let me know in comments. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching the video.